Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making stewed okra or fried okra, and this is done with some Parmesan crusted mushrooms. Guys, this is super delicious, quick and easy. If you guys love okra without the slime, trust me, you're going to want to stay to the end of this video because the ingredient that we will be using, it's in everyone's house. Alright, so I have about 2 tablespoons of oil. I just added some diced onions and about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to give that a good stir. Then we will go in with our okra and some chicken bouillon. Give this a good stir. Allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on low heat, guys. Then we're going to go in with the rest of our ingredients, and the list will also be in the description box along with the measurements. So you go in with some cilantro, some parsley. As you can see, the slime is already built up. Then for our secret ingredient, guys, we will add some water. Yes, no more oil, no vinegar or lime. I mean, you can do that too, that's an option. We add our tomatoes and cook until done, and it takes approximately about 15 to 20 minutes. And this is our amazing, super quick and easy, delicious okra stew or fried okra. Alright, I trust you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't done so already. Thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. Bye bye. See you on the next one.